Hey, we're at B&B, and we make more than just synchronous drives and pulleys and those type of things. During the holiday season, we switch our products up, and we make tinsel for all those trees that need to get decorated around Christmas time. So again, for the holiday season, when it gets cold out, you gotta stay warm. During the holiday season, we switch over, we make hot cocoa. Look how hot and steamy it is for the cool, crisp nights. And we've got 15 tanks for you. We get personal orders from Santa for those people, children, and others that aren't so good. Cold. You can see we're running low this year because a lot of people have been on the naughty list. So during the Christmas time, we decorate, we do a lot of things, and we really go all out to get festive for 2024. Santa's sleigh exhaust system breaks down. We got the right pipes to get them going again to deliver all those happy presents to all you good kids. Because of the Christmas rush, with all the packages that need to go out with Santa, we help them out. We gather the packages that get ordered for the good kids and boys, and we're helping ship them out as well. Merry Christmas to all, and make the holiday season this year merry and bright. Thanks for joining B&B. Enjoy, have a good one.